Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. First, go into the settings and then find the battery settings that should be right here and hit the battery. Then we have right here the battery daily usage. You can consider using these apps less that are consuming the most power. Then enable the power saving. Go into the display, enable the dark mode and lower the brightness or just use the adaptive brightness. Then scroll down to Screen Timeout and shorten this time to around a minute. Scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or location. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.